Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing web challenges. There was a new picoCTF Pico Mini by CMU Africa. I'm gonna do a few new challenges and then continue on the hard ones, probably one hard. So the first challenge is called Crack the Gate 1, and we just need to log in as CTF player, and we have this email and we need to try to log in. So to get the flag, try email and then we'll hit test. We get invalid credentials, and we take a look at the source code. We see these two comments. It says here remove before pushing to production, and this random string of gibberish we don't understand. And if we go to cyber chef, and this looks like normal text, but it doesn't make sense because the letters are mixed and shifted. And if we use rot 13, just basic, we get note jack temporary bypass, use header xdef access yes. If we copy this and go to Kaido, this is the post request to login. We can send this to replay, and if we just add this header and then send, get the flag this way. Okay, and the next challenge we're gonna do the part 2 of Crack the Gate, and this time the login page is improved and it has basic rate limiting, and we need to log in as the same CTF player, and we have the password list we can use. If we go to the website, we can just try the same thing. It says invalid credentials. If we go to HTTP history, we can send to the replay, and for this rate limiting bypass, we're gonna use x forwarded for to not get banned. We can do x forwarded or like that, random IP. Now we can send this to automate, and I have the passwords here, and I got the IP addresses from this website, but you can probably just do like this and then increment by one to probably work, but this is more realistic. So we can add on the test one, and let's use passwords, and then the IP address, and let's choose ips.txt. And if we run this, and we can filter by length. Oh, I mixed the things up. This is the passwords and this is the IPs. Okay, let's generate new passwords. And if we run this, okay, let's change the files. Upload IPs again. Passwords for this. Okay, and if we filter by length, we get this request. The password was this one, and the flag is here. And the next challenge is called bypassed, and in this website we have file upload functionality, but it is filtering file extensions, so we can only upload images. We need to bypass and upload PHP files, and if we try to upload shell.php, it says not allowed. Let's first try basic ways to bypass this. So JPEG after PHP. It's uploaded, but it's not gonna be executed as PHP. And we can add a null byte, but from the file name we see that it didn't work. And do a semicolon, that also doesn't work. So we're gonna need another way to bypass this. So I actually did recently a very similar challenge in CTF. So if we go to parts figure and this lab, in this lab we need to upload .htaccess access file. This is a config for every directory that works in most servers. And if we add this line to the config, add type application PHP, and this is our random extension, and if we upload a file with this extension, then it will work as PHP, but the several filters won't pick it up. So I have this file here. You can also look at shell.php. This is just a nice HTML interface to run commands. So we can first upload this htaccess access, then we can upload with that custom extension, and we see that we uploaded it. Now we can go to it through Firefox, and if we try to run some commands, we see that it works. So we can run this find command to see all of the txt files, and at the bottom we see var flag.txt. So we can cat, and we get the flag this way. Okay, and the next challenge, the last challenge I will do today is JavaScript Kitty. This is a hard challenge, and the description just says the image link appears to be broken. And if we go to the website, there's this submit field, and if we type some numbers and submit, we get this broken image. And if we look at the source code, we have this assemble PNG. This is just JavaScript, so it gets the bytes from the image. We can see this, so we can see these bytes here. We will use them later. There is a key to assemble this 16, length of 16. We have a shifter, so this is where the image is being rendered. It's a PNG image, as you can see here. Yeah, so it loops through the key and then shifts the bytes, and we need to figure out the key. We obviously can't brute force this because that would take too long, so we need to. So to get the key, we will compare PNG signature bytes to the bytes that are given to find where they match. But these are only 8 bytes, so we will need another 8. That's where PNG chunks come in. So the first chunk always needs to be HDR. The length is 13, so another 8 bytes are 13 in bytes, and then IHDR in bytes. So we can now look at the script. So in the script there is the length, and these are the bytes, that 16 bytes that we know should be in order from the start. These are the signature bytes, and then the next ones are, this is the 13 length, and this is IHDR. These are the bytes that we are given. Empty array for key, and we run through loops. So we run 16 loops to get 16 digits for the key, and then run through every digit and find the offset, and if this bytes matches, expected bytes matches the offset, then we add that digit to the key, and then we print it. If we run this, we get this key, and if we use this key to submit, we get this QR code. Now we can take a screenshot, and if we upload this to this website or any other, then we can copy this flag. This will be it for today's video, and I will see you in the next one.